Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to start a brand new WordPress account. This will allow you to create fantastic web pages and blog posts, and most importantly, you will need to use it to submit all of your work for your final major project, which is the Unit 8 of your UAL Level 3 Creative Media Production and Technology qualification. Now, for those of you that don't know, the grade that you get for your Unit 8 is the grade that you take home for your diploma. So, obviously, this is the main act. Everything that you've done so far has been a kind of a build-up and a practice to teach you the skills that you need to pass that. But you will need to hand it in on a WordPress site. So here's how you start your website. You go to wordpress.com, and if you're Googling it, make sure you don't hit any of the ads that come up first. Try and go straight to wordpress.com. The front page should look like this, and there is a button that you can click that says Start Your Website. When you click that button, you will need to continue by putting an email address in. Now, it may not be advisable to use your school email address because when you leave the Global Academy, you will want to continue to use your WordPress account. So although there is nothing stopping you from putting your Global Academy email address in here, bear in mind you may need to change that to a different email address when you leave, or to make life easier, continue, for example, with your Google account. So I can sign in here quite easily with Google. It then leads you to a page where it asks you to type in a site domain. Now, you probably want to pick something that no one else has got. So if I choose Andy Winter FMP, for example, so my first name and my second name, followed by FMP, you'll probably find that there will be a free domain. So andywinterfmp.com is free, andywinterfmp.wordpress.com is free. Make sure you don't go for one of these that says it renews at £15 a year, because this domain will expire. This one here that says it's free is going to be free, and it is free for you for the rest of your life. So you can go to this bit where it tries to make you buy other things, but remember, WordPress is totally free and you will never need to pay for anything, so don't be fooled. Just click on this button, start with free site. It will then start to load up your WordPress site, and it will then take you to the back end of WordPress that looks like this. Now, this is where you can create your website, but you'll notice that under my site title here it says coming soon. So one of the first things you'll need to do is verify your email address and also launch the email address, launch the website. So when you click on visit site, there is a button in the corner that says launch site. You will need to click that and then click, again, at all stages, WordPress will try to make you buy something, but you can just skip the purchase by clicking this button, and then again click the continue to free site, and you will now have, and again click on the one that says at the bottom here in the smallest writing, no thanks, I'll stick with andywinterfmp.wordpress.com. That way you now have a website that is launched, it is live, and if you copy the URL from this website here, you then enter that into your submission on Canvas, and then all of your teachers will be able to see this site. So join us for the next tutorial where I will be talking to you about how to customize your site, edit and add web pages, and edit and add blog posts.